Hello everybody, welcome back. Let's animate these quarter cylinders so that they form a whole cylinder. We'll be using Cinema 4D for this. It's amazing, isn't it? Let's start creating one. First, make a quarter cylinder. To do this, hold the left click button, head over to cylinder and then go to object, set the radius to 200 and the height to 50, and then change the rotation segments into as many as you want. And then slice it. Click on slice, tick the box. This will, make some parts of the cylinder to be formed. So change the from value to 180 and the to value to 270 degrees, and then rotate it. Go to coordinates and then change the H rotation to 135 and then change the order to XYZ and then change the Z value to 270, just like this. And then place the base of the quarter cylinder so that it lies on the ground. Hold on. Just like this, pretty much. Alright, hold on. This will do. Make duplications of the quarter cylinder so that there are 4 of them. So copy and paste this. Drag it so that the arcs of the quarter cylinders meet with each other. Control V again. Make sure that all of the arcs of the quarter cylinder meet with each other. Control V to paste it. And then place it here. Alright, so let's rotate each of the quarter cylinders. But first, make them editable. Right click, click on connect objects and delete. Same for the other ones. And then click here to adjust the position of the anchor point of each quarter cylinder. So, turn this on as well so that the anchor point is positioned right on the arc of the cylinder. So that the arc of the cylinder attracts the anchor point like a magnet, so hence the name snapping. So yeah. Alright, make it meet. Just like this. Once you're done, rotate it. So make sure that the number of frames is enough. Type anything, type any number. For example, I want to have 300 frames, and then let's say if we want to rotate each of the quarter cylinders so that it stops 60 frames after it's moving or after it's being rotated. So to do this, go to cylinder and then we're going to do some tweaks with the X rotation. Click on the diamond to make a keyframe, and then at 60 frames change the value to minus 270 degrees. Click on the diamond again, and then let's put the first quarter cylinder inside into this one, the second quarter cylinder, as the child of the second quarter cylinder. And then let's say if you want to move the second quarter cylinder 20 frames before the first cylinder stops moving. So for the following for the next quarter cylinders, you rotate it like 20 frames before the preceding ones. So yeah, move the anchor point until it meets with the edge or the arc of the next quarter cylinder, and then you rotate it again like 20 frames before the first one stops. Click on the diamond, and then 40 plus 60 is 100. At 100 frames, change the value to minus 270 degrees, just like this, and then click on the diamond again. So far so good. 100 minus 20, it's 80 frames. Put the second quarter cylinder as the child of the third quarter cylinder from the left. And then place the anchor point so that it's located here. And then click on the diamond for rotation X. 80 plus 60 is 140. Change the X rotation value to minus 270. Click on the diamond again, and then put the third quarter cylinder as a child of the fourth quarter cylinder, which is the last, and then from 120 frames, which is 20 frames before the third quarter cylinder stops moving. Alright, click on this diamond again. And then let's say if you want to have a 180 degree rotation, starting from this one, so let's move the frame indicator to 240 frames. And then change the X rotation value to minus 360 degrees, and then click on the diamond. Alright, let's move the last one. By moving the last quarter cylinder, you move all of the, all of the quarter cylinders that were moving, and then, they form a whole cylinder. So, let's do some tweaks with the Z position. Click on the diamond, and then at 240 frames, turn it off, move it slightly, and then click on the diamond. Fancy, now it's rolling. And then when, we have a preview, and then we play it. Alright, now the quarter cylinders are forming this whole cylinder. Let's put some color, shall we? Let's say if we want to color this one green, yellow, blue, and magenta. You're done. With the animation of these quarter cylinders in Cinema 4D, looking fancy, isn't it? The cylinder is now rolling like a wheel. It has this wheel kind of movement as the quarter cylinders form this whole cylinder. So I hope it helps with your animation techniques. Especially this animation is pretty much basic, so anyone can do it. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day, ciao, and Happy New Year, everybody!